Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add account address on DocuSign. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account on DocuSign.com and then select settings. Now you need to wait for a while until the page load. You need to get on your left side and select account profile. Now get on your right side, scroll down until you guys can see this account address section. Now here you need to enter the street 1, enter here the street 2, enter here the city, enter here the country or region that you live in, and then enter here the state, province, and then enter here the postal code. After that you need to select on this save button that are occurring right here, and that's how you guys can successfully add your account address on DocuSign. So that's it for the video. Now if you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content, and thanks for watching.